No sign of a bottom. Everyone's just paralyzed by fear at this moment.
Stocks desperately looking for some form of momentum. 12-year lows.
March 9th, 2009. U.S. stocks are in free fall. Investor sentiment is plunging. Hirsch Cohen, the chief investment officer at ClearBridge Advisors, remembers it all too well.
The stock market discounted the end of the world. That really took into account everything bad that could happen.
Stocks closed at their worst levels of the financial crisis on March 9th. The following day, badly beaten Citigroup announced it was turning a profit. Stocks rallied more than 5%, and the big bounce was underway. The Dow has rallied more than 60% since, with 10 Dow stocks up more than 100%. Still, average investors remain cautious.
What about, though, the folks who are sitting at home who some of them cashed out, didn't ride it back up, are so scared about what they just saw happen? It appears that some of them have had their faith in the stock market deeply shaken.
I worry about having lost a generation of investors. After the crash of '32, my parents, for example, they wouldn't buy stocks until the 1960s probably. They were just, they were depression people.
But Cohen says with interest rates at low levels and cash and savings accounts earning next to nothing, dependable dividend-paying stocks still offer the best hope for investment growth.
A lot of the great quality stocks recovered, but not nearly as much as the stuff that had fallen the most. So I think the best opportunities lie in the great companies that are priced at they're reasonable. They're not giving them away, but they're reasonable, but the dividends are good.
Do you think that those lows we saw are firmly behind us? Is there any chance that we're going to go back there?
Any chance? Slim. It's hard to believe that the market will go back down to that level. I can't imagine the same kind of collapse occurring. Does that mean we're off and running in the economy? I don't think so, but does that mean that we have to go back into the kind of financial collapse we had? I think that's remote.
Comforting words from a Wall Street veteran who's pretty much seen it all.
You believe in stocks as a good investment?
I love stocks. I love stocks.
I think that, how can we have to end it there, right?
Maggie Lake, CNN, New York.